Looking for a device that keeps up with your rigorous studies and clinical rotations? The best tablet for medical students offers powerful performance, seamless note-taking, and easy access to textbooks, apps, and medical resources, all in one compact, versatile device. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Amazon Medical Student Tablet. The Amazon Medical Student Tablet is an excellent choice for students who need a versatile and durable device for both academic and personal use. Its vivid 11-inch display with 2.4 million pixels delivers sharp visuals, making reading textbooks, viewing medical diagrams, and even streaming educational videos a pleasure. The screen is certified for low blue light, helping reduce eye strain during long study sessions. Performance-wise, this tablet impresses with its octa-core processor and 4 GB of memory, coupled with Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, ensuring smooth multitasking and rapid access to online resources, lecture notes, and cloud storage. Its sleek aluminum body is lightweight yet durable, with strengthened glass that makes it 3 times more resistant to drops compared to similar tablets, an important feature for busy students constantly on the go. Battery life is exceptional, lasting up to 14 hours, allowing uninterrupted study sessions, video lectures, or note-taking without the need for frequent recharging. Storage options are plentiful, with 64 or 128 GB internal memory and micro SD expansion up to 1 TB, making it easy to store large PDF textbooks, research papers, or multimedia content. Additionally, the tablet supports the optional Fire Max 11 keyboard case and Amazon Stylus Pen, providing an excellent platform for handwritten notes, annotations, and assignments. Communication is also seamless with the 8MP camera, which ensures clear video calls for group projects or consultations with peers and professors. While primarily designed for students, it also offers family-friendly features, including Amazon Kids Plus subscription support, providing access to educational content during downtime. With Alexa integration, students can set reminders, manage schedules, or control smart devices efficiently. Number 2. Samsung Medical Student Tablet. The Samsung Medical Student Tablet is designed to meet the demanding needs of students who rely on a versatile, high-performance device for learning, note-taking, and multimedia use. Its large, bright screen and 90 Hz refresh rate make reading medical textbooks, analyzing charts, and streaming educational videos exceptionally smooth, while dual speakers deliver immersive sound for lectures, podcasts, or relaxation after study hours. One of its standout features is Circle to Search, which allows students to quickly highlight and search text, images, or diagrams, streamlining research and study workflows. Handwriting Assist ensures that handwritten notes are neatly aligned and spaced, transforming messy scribbles into professional-looking notes that are easier to review. Additionally, Math Solver is a valuable tool for medical students tackling biostatistics, pharmacology calculations, or other quantitative exercises, as it can convert handwritten equations into clean digital text. The tablet's S Pen provides precise writing and drawing capabilities, making it ideal for annotating PDFs, sketching anatomical diagrams, or creating diagrams for presentations. Beyond academics, the Galaxy Tab S10 FE series is water-resistant, offering peace of mind against spills, splashes, or accidental drops, which is particularly useful for students frequently carrying their tablet between classes, labs, and libraries. Performance is robust thanks to a powerful processor, ensuring smooth multitasking, fast app launches, and lag-free streaming or gaming during downtime. Number 3. Callsky Pro Medical Student Tablet. The Callsky Pro Medical Student Tablet is a 14-inch powerhouse designed to accommodate the multitasking and connectivity demands of modern medical students. Running on Android 15 OS with a 2.0 GHz octa-core T16 processor, it delivers smooth performance across research, note-taking, multimedia, and video conferencing applications. Its edge-to-edge FHD Plus display ensures crisp visuals, making it ideal for reviewing medical diagrams, videos, or digital textbooks. Built-in 4G LTE support allows students to remain connected to lectures, emails, and cloud resources even without Wi-Fi, ensuring productivity in libraries, clinics, or study groups. The tablet's portability is enhanced by its lightweight design at just 2.2 pounds, and the included case folds in multiple positions for hands-free use during video calls, reading, or streaming workouts. Security features, including real-time app permission management and advanced encryption, safeguard personal data and study materials, which is essential when accessing sensitive information or online resources. Multimedia functionality is robust, with Widevine L1 support for HD streaming on platforms like Netflix and Prime Video, and quad speakers provide cinematic sound for video lectures or relaxation. Battery life is reliable, paired with 18W USB-C fast charging, making it convenient for long study sessions or travel days. Number 4. Lenovo Medical Student Tablet. The Lenovo Medical Student Tablet is a compact and efficient option for students seeking a lightweight device that balances performance with portability. Its 9-inch HD display provides a vibrant and detailed viewing experience, ideal for reading medical textbooks, reviewing charts, or watching educational videos. The MTK G80 octa-core processor ensures smooth multitasking, while up to 32 gigabytes of storage allows students to store essential documents, PDFs, and apps without compromising performance. Battery life is strong, with a 5100 mAh battery providing up to 13 hours of video playback, making it suitable for long study sessions or commutes. Google Lens integration allows students to translate text, identify products, or solve homework-related queries quickly, providing a smart assistant for research and learning. Security is maintained through facial recognition, offering convenient and secure access to the tablet and sensitive study materials. Its lightweight design ensures portability for students moving between classrooms, libraries, and clinical settings, and the responsive interface makes navigating between apps, notes, and textbooks effortless. Number 5. TUOHAITIME Medical Student Tablet. The TUOHAITIME Medical Student Tablet is an advanced Android 14 device designed for students who need both power and portability. Its 11-inch display with 1280 by 800 resolution delivers crisp visuals, making it ideal for reading medical textbooks, viewing diagrams, and streaming educational content. Equipped with a 2.0 GHz octa-core processor and 10 GB of RAM, 4 GB plus 6 GB, it offers up to 40% faster processing speed compared to standard quad-core tablets, ensuring smooth multitasking between note-taking apps, research resources, and multimedia platforms. Storage is generous at 64 GB, expandable up to 512 GB, allowing ample space for PDFs, presentations, and lecture recordings. Battery life is robust with a 6,000 mAh battery and 18W fast charging, supporting 8 to 12 hours of continuous use, perfect for long study sessions or on-the-go access between classes and hospitals. The tablet supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0 for fast and reliable connectivity, essential for accessing cloud resources, video lectures, or collaborative online tools. While designed for performance, it also comes with Google Kidspace and parental control features, though medical students can repurpose the preloaded apps for learning, organization, or productivity.